We are on an evening walk. It's Victoria, Crazy Banana Lady, and Angel. We've been doing the Austin Fruit Festival. We haven't been doing our evening walks. And we're getting back in the swing of things. Shoes. It feels good to be walking out, exploring, seeing Angel's world. Shoes. Shoes. Toe. Toe. Shoes. I like your shoes. They're pink and blue. Pink and blue. Angel shoes. Where are you going? Up there? Do you hear those lovely birds singing? Ant? Maybe you should come out of there if there's ants. No, don't. Angel. You're going to get them biting you if you're over here messing with them. Oh, there's no ants. No ants. Hey you. Well, you're going straight across the road, huh? What's over on this side? I would say it's the same stuff. There's something to stand on. Like an old tile. Flowers? Do you see flowers? I see grass and weeds and plants. Almost all of them are edible. Alright, let's come back, because remember there's that crazy dog over here. Oh. Are you okay? Are you okay, little monkey? How about, oops, we go in this direction and not back towards that house with the mean dog. There we go. We're moving again. We're moving again. Trees. Oh, we made it off to the side. It's like she does the mad escape or something. Escape from following the paved path. Who would want to do that? Who would want to follow the paved path? Even now she's like off to the side of the paved path. That's awesome. You're so awesome, Angel. Doing things your way. Do you hear the airplane? Do you hear that airplane? Look, airplane. Airplane. Can you see? Here, turn around. Look in the sky. Airplane. Can you find it? I don't know if you can see it on camera. It kind of blends in. Did you see the airplane? Yeah. That's the first time you've seen an airplane. Airplane? Can you say airplane? Airplane, good job. I'm not sure the other thing you're saying. Tree? Bird? Birdie? Birdie? Are you saying bird? Oh, I love you, Angel. I love you. Say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye, camera. Oh yeah, that's kind of confusing. Mommy's not saying goodbye. Mommy will be here.